Hi, and welcome back again. It's been a while, a long time coming, but I'm back with a new video on a quick and easy sympathy card. I've already pre-stamped using Unity stamp codes together in this set. It's a really beautifully detailed stamp with a flower in the center of a book. Also going to be using my Color It watercolor brushes along with some water brushes to blend. So this is me trying it on cardstock. Usually this works pretty well on watercolor paper, but we shall see how this comes out. Now I started by trying to add water to the paper and then allow the watercolor to blend, but that didn't work out as well. So I changed up my strategy and decided to just put blots of the actual watercolor off to the side and then use the paint brushes, the water brushes, to pick up the paint. This worked out better as I was able to control the amount of paint that I wanted to use versus having to deal with oversaturated wet paper. It's a pretty quick and simple technique if you just want to add minimal color to a picture or little details here and there. And if you are interested in a more detailed video regarding coloring with these types of watercolor brushes, please let me know. I wanted to keep this simple, so I just tore the edge off that piece. I already kind of trimmed everything. And then I have this stack of natural fibrous paper that I thought would look nice. Something neutral, something simple. And so my whole thing is to use up things that you have around in your stash because we got to show love to those little oldies, but they're still goodies. And I'm just randomly trying to fit it. And I'm going to use this glue stick, which is liquid. It goes on blue and dries when it's completely white, so it allows you to reposition it if you need to. And then I found me some random washi tape that kind of matched the paper. And I'm just going to go ahead and stick that on there as well as using the glue again. Once I'm done with that, I will place some weight on it and let it sit overnight so that way it'll stick. I wanted the card to look a little weathered, so I used vintage photo around the edges, just very lightly, not anything too heavy-handed. And I'm using some VersaFine ink to stamp the sentiment right on the base of the card, in that little spot there, and it says together in this. And then I'm using a Spectrum Noir sparkle brush. It's important to note that it does interact with watercolor or any water-based items, so keep that in mind. And with that, this is my finished product. Very simple sympathy card with a little sparkle to it. Thank you so much again for watching this video. It's greatly appreciated, and I hope you stick around for more future videos. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day. I'll see you next time.